Erebus, a land beyond time and space, where fallen warriors from many realms and eras can rise to fight once more and become legends. Among them were the fearless legions of Imperium. These fighters conquered many regions and defeated countless enemies, proving to be exemplary Ahem! That's better. As I said, this mighty empire marched over the known world bringing order, aqueducts, grapes, and wild toga parties. Led by the charismatic Imperator and an iron-willed Centuriata, they were unmatched in battle. Until the Draugr arrived. A mighty horde of undead warriors, led by wicked sorcerers with intentions as awful as their smell. They stormed the legions by surprise, forcing them to retreat to their homeland, Orcus. All seemed dark for the Imperium. But then, a mysterious stranger, bearing gifts of ancient wisdom, appeared to share his teachings in the art of war. Greetings. I am he who is called Sun Tzu, general, philosopher, and master strategist. In this journey through the art of war, I will be your teacher and advisor. Shall we begin? First, behold, the Brush of High Command. A very valuable and ancient tool that, well, it has been stolen. First lesson, the art of war is always based on deception.
Now, go after them. Move your group. Press and hold to drag the formation. Your units will follow.
Yeah.
Watch out! Their cavalry is charging into your legionaries. It seems you will need heavy weaponry to open the way to the brush. Your scissors will lead the way through enemy territory. Command them wisely. It's a trap. The brush is ours, but the area is infested with archers. Slay them all. It looks like we will need another strategy to progress. Alaris, cavalry charge! The brush is a powerful weapon. Draw your formation, dragging over the terrain. Exit drawing mode. Well done. Explore the land and conquer the enemy fortress to claim victory.
Victoria! Yeah. Well. Syndex. Oh well.
Their defenses are strong. We will need spells to tip the scales in our favor. Muggle, time to do some magic for the first time. Let's try your new spells on the right panel. With unlimited uses. Get ready for the final battle. Defeat your enemies with unlimited spells and your knowledge in the art of war. Remember, a good general knows victory, but doesn't grow overconfident. Seems that the Gravekeeper does not intend to give up the fortress so easily. Enough lesson for today. Discover the rest in Toy Tactics. Bravo! You put the art in Art of War.